For Seco and Phi. Our data, it is digital gold for seekers of futuristic projects. In 10 minutes Indians can analyze 10 years of BJP NDA lead government activities with over 1,61,000 plus reports at your services. Millions of results to analyze performance of government to bridge the digital divide. We provide access to GOI-owned data in both human-readable and machine-readable forms. It is developed using open-source technology and is one of the initiatives under the Digital India program. The platform is redesigned to promote wider accessibility and application of government data. Data is available for global investors for futuristic implementation of projects by countries globally. The Open Government Data Initiative by the Government of India, GOI, has several benefits, and here are some of the key pros. Transparency. Seco and Phi data promotes transparency by making a wide range of information publicly accessible. This helps citizens understand government actions, decisions, and policies. Accountability. Access to government data allows citizens to hold the government accountable for its actions. It enables them to scrutinize government activities and performance. Informed decision-making. Open data empowers individuals, businesses, researchers, and policymakers to make informed decisions. Access to comprehensive and up-to-date data facilitates evidence-based decision-making. Citizen engagement. Seco and Phi data encourages citizen participation and engagement. It enables citizens to actively contribute to governance by using data to propose solutions, provide feedback, or participate in public discourse. Innovation and entrepreneurship. Availability of government data fosters innovation and entrepreneurship. Entrepreneurs and developers can use the data to create new products, services, and applications that benefit society and the economy. Economic development. Open data can contribute to economic development by providing a foundation for businesses to analyze market trends, identify opportunities, and make strategic decisions. Research and development. Researchers and academics can use government data to conduct studies, analyze trends, and contribute to advancements in various fields such as healthcare, education, and environmental science. Improved government services. Seco and Phi data can lead to improvements in public services. By analyzing data, GOVs can identify areas for improvement, optimize resource allocation, and enhance service delivery. Data-driven governance. Open data promotes a culture of data-driven governance, where decisions are based on evidence and analysis rather than intuition. This can lead to more effective and efficient government operations. Collaboration and interoperability. Seco and Phi data facilitates collaboration among different government departments and agencies. It also promotes interoperability by making it easier for systems and data to work together seamlessly. Community empowerment. Open data empowers communities by giving them access to information that is relevant to their interests and concerns. This can lead to stronger and more resilient communities. Global best practices. Sharing government data in an open format allows for international comparisons and benchmarking. Governments can learn from each other's experiences and adopt best practices. Environmental and social impact. Open data can contribute to addressing environmental and social challenges by providing information on issues such as climate change, pollution, and social demographics. Democratic participation. Seco and Phi data enhances democratic participation by providing citizens with the tools and information needed to engage in the democratic process more effectively. Seco and Phi data encourages citizen participation and engagement. 1. Access to clean and safe sanitation facilities. 2. Water in rural areas. 3. Access to legal aid and assistance programs. 4. Services and justice delivery. 5. Access to mental health services for students. 6. In rural areas. 7. Accessibility and inclusivity in public spaces. 8. Of government services in remote areas. 9. Accessibility of government websites and services. 10. Public spaces for persons with disabilities. 11. Accessibility of public spaces for the LGBTQ and community. 12. Transportation for low-income communities. 13. Accessibility of public transportation for senior citizens. 14. Wi-Fi in rural areas. 15. Adoption and impact of digital payments. 16. Smart farming technologies. 17. Adoption of agroecological farming practices. 18. Circular economy principles. 19. Adoption of electric vehicles in public transportation. 20. Green building standards. 21. Adoption of green construction materials. 22. Infrastructure in urban planning. 23. Adoption of smart grid technologies and energy distribution. 24. Irrigation systems in agriculture. 25. Adoption of smart waste management systems. 26. USDA-enabled farming practices. 27. Adoption of sustainable packaging practices. 28. Practices in the cosmetics industry. 29. Adoption of sustainable practices in the fashion industry. 30. Mining industry. 31. Adoption of sustainable practices in the shipping industry. 32. Textile industry. 33. Adoption of sustainable practices in traditional crafts. 34. Transportation modes. 35. Adoption of technology in agrometeorological forecasting. 36. IR quality monitoring. 37. Adoption of technology in climate change adaptation. 38. Community-based disaster response. 39. Adoption of technology in disaster early warning systems. 40. Recovery simulations. 41. Adoption of technology in disaster risk mapping. 42. Resistant construction. 43. Adoption of technology in monitoring and conserving coral reefs. 44. Endangered species. 45. Adoption of technology in monitoring and conserving wetlands. 46. Trolling air pollution. 47. Adoption of technology in monitoring and preventing deforestation. 48. Precision agriculture. 49. Adoption of technology in promoting eco-friendly consumer behavior. 50. Sustainable agriculture. 51. Adoption of technology in promoting sustainable agriculture practices. 52. Energy sources. 53. Adoption of technology in promoting sustainable fisheries. 54. Hood systems. 55. Adoption of technology in promoting sustainable forestry. 56. Practices. 57. Adoption of technology in promoting sustainable mining practices. 58. Tourism. 59. Adoption of technology in promoting sustainable transportation. 60. Options. 61. Adoption of technology in promoting sustainable waste management. 62. Reduction. 63. Adoption of technology in promoting sustainable water management. 64. Use. 65. Adoption of technology in soil health monitoring. 66. USDA-enabled fisheries management. 67. Adoption of technology in sustainable land use planning. 68. The monitoring of marine ecosystems. 69. Adoption of technology in waste to energy conversion. 70. Conservation and management. 71. Adoption of technology in wildlife tracking and monitoring. 72. Water-saving technologies in agriculture. 73. Aging population demographics and services. 74. Agricultural exports and imports. 75 agricultural insurance coverage and impact. 76. Land use patterns. 77 agricultural yield data across states. 78. Ecological farming methods in marginalized communities. 79 air and water pollution control measures. 80 quality measurements in major cities. 81 air travel and airport infrastructure data. 82. Alternative energy sources for rural electrification. 83 biodiversity conservation efforts in urban areas. 84. Technology research and applications. 85 bottom-up approaches to sustainable urban planning. 86 strategies for promoting climate-smart agriculture. 87 bottom-up strategies for promoting sustainable energy consumption. 88. Transportation options. 89 bottom-up strategies for reducing carbon emissions in transportation. 90 electronic waste in communities. 91 bottom-up strategies for reducing energy consumption in public buildings. 92 transportation. 93 bottom-up strategies for reducing greenhouse gas emissions. 94 industrial water pollution. 95 bottom-up strategies for reducing light pollution. 96 noise pollution. 97 bottom-up strategies for reducing noise pollution in industrial areas. 98. Residential areas. 99 bottom-up strategies for reducing noise pollution in urban areas. 100. Public spaces. 101 bottom-up strategies for reducing plastic pollution in water bodies. 102. Pollution from agricultural runoff. 103 bottom-up strategies for reducing pollution from industrial activities. 104 wastewater. 105 bottom-up strategies for reducing pollution from urban construction activities. 106 in urban stormwater runoff. 107 bottom-up strategies for reducing pollution in urban water bodies. 108. Sustainable wastewater management in rural communities. 109 bottom-up strategies for sustainable wastewater management in urban settings. 110 treatment in rural communities. 111 child labor statistics and anti-child labor initiatives. 112. Circular economy practices in manufacturing. 113 citizen engagement in policy-making processes. 114 lead initiatives for noise pollution control. 115 civic education programs and political awareness. 116. Engagement and participation rates. 117 civic tech initiatives for citizen engagement. 118. Lean energy initiatives and adoption rates. 119 climate change adaptation and mitigation efforts. 120 strategies. 121 climate resilient agricultural techniques. 122. Coastal and marine resources management data. 123 coastal zone vulnerability to sea level rise. 124 collaborative efforts for promoting eco-friendly waste to compost practices. 125 collaborative efforts for promoting eco-friendly waste to compost technologies. 126 electricity initiatives. 127 collaborative efforts for promoting eco-friendly waste to electricity projects. 128 fuel technologies. 129 collaborative efforts for promoting eco-friendly waste to gas initiatives. 130 projects. 131 collaborative efforts for promoting eco-friendly waste to heat initiatives. 132. Projects. 133 collaborative efforts for promoting eco-friendly waste to hydrogen technologies. 134 sustainable construction. 135 collaborative efforts for promoting sustainable tourism practices. 136 urban agriculture. 137 collaborative efforts for promoting sustainable waste recycling initiatives. 138 separation and recycling. 139 collaborative efforts for promoting sustainable waste to compost technologies. 140. Electricity projects. 141 collaborative efforts for promoting sustainable waste to gas projects. 142 sustainable community forestry. 143 collaborative efforts for sustainable fisheries management. 144 management of urban green spaces. 145 collaborative efforts for sustainable waste management in local markets. 146 reduction in industrial processes. 147 collaborative efforts for sustainable waste reduction in public events. 148. Urban environments. 149 collaborative efforts for sustainable waste separation and recycling. 150 to compost initiatives. 151 collaborative efforts for sustainable waste to compost technologies. 152. Energy projects. 153 collaborative efforts for sustainable wastewater management in rural communities. 154 TUR infrastructure projects. 155 collaborative efforts for sustainable water purification technologies. 156 community-based development projects. 157 community-based healthcare programs. 158 monitoring of soil health. 159 community-driven conservation initiatives. 160. Initiatives for promoting eco-friendly waste to biogas projects. 161 community-driven initiatives for promoting eco-friendly waste to fuel technologies. 162. Green building standards. 163 community-driven initiatives for promoting sustainable urban mobility. 164. Reducing single-use plastics. 165 community-driven initiatives for sustainable construction practices. 166. Tourism. 167 community-driven initiatives for sustainable tourism development. 168. Water conservation in urban areas. 169 community-driven waste reduction campaigns. 170 lead initiatives for promoting eco-friendly waste to biogas projects. 171 community-led initiatives for promoting eco-friendly waste to energy technologies. 172 fuel projects. 173 community-led initiatives for promoting eco-friendly waste to fuel technologies. 174 gas initiatives. 175 community-led initiatives for promoting sustainable waste disposal. 176 to bioplastics technologies. 177 community-led initiatives for promoting sustainable water use. 178 water conservation. 179 community-led initiatives for reducing energy consumption in transportation. 180 sustainable coastal zone management. 181 community-led initiatives for sustainable urban development. 182 waste management. 183 community-led initiatives for sustainable waterway pollution control. 184 in disaster preparedness. 185 community-led initiatives in promoting clean energy. 186 reforestation and afforestation projects. 187 conservation and restoration of natural habitats. 188 price index and inflation rates. 189 crime rates and patterns. 190. Cultural and heritage tourism statistics. 191 Cultural heritage preservation efforts.